Hi. Around 2.5 decades ago, a boy was born to Mr. and Mrs. Srivastav in the city of Gorakhpur. Being youngest in the family, he got all attention and care he could dream of. He was grown into an individual who was sincere yet dared to express opinion, introvert yet confident, ambitious yet solidly rooted to values. A person who finds his strength in three L's, that is, listening, learning, and leading skills. A person who keeps his mind stimulated and do not lean towards repetitive skills. A very sharp critic, assertive, and having lots of patience. So here I am, Kumar Utkarsh, presently pursuing my PGDIM, postgraduate diploma in industrial management from National Institute of Industrial Engineering, Mumbai. Before coming to Mumbai, I done my graduation in BTech from HBTI Kanpur in the stream of electrical engineering. I also have 22 months of work experience in Reliance Power. Reliance Power is the flagship company of Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group. In Reliance Power, I was working in a 220 megawatt power combined cycle power plant and also in the expansion power plant of 2400 megawatt Samalkot. My roles and responsibilities over there involves I supervise the maintenance activities that included preventive and breakdown maintenance. I did vendor evaluation through financial and technical scrutiny of offers by different vendors. It was my responsibility to raise purchase requisitions and issued purchase work orders for the procurement of various goods and services. I spearheaded the commissioning activities of 400 kV GIS, that is gas insulated switchyard, in expansion project, that is 2400 megawatt. I oversaw the commissioning activities of LCI, that is load commutated inverter. This is used in the starting of generator. I ensured the compliance and documentation for the integrated management system that included ISO 9001, 14001, 27001, and 8001. I handled the various power saving activities in the plant that happened every month. I managed all the inventories at site and supervised scrap disposal activities. I represented my department, that is electrical department, in the codification of inventories through master data management (MDM), and I also represented my department in the emergency rescuing team for the plant. As far as my achievements are concerned, I got the Best Engineer Award in 2012 on the Engineers Day in the category of energy conservation. The idea that I suggested was to build a solar panel over the reservoir area, as it's a very large area in a power plant from where we take the water for different operations in the plant. I was also among the top 5 trainees among the class of 22 trainees at site. I have some skills, hard skills, such as firefighting and first aid. And I think my most accomplished achievement over there that I was a part of a team that contributed in the commissioning of 4 gas turbines in a record 2 months. Okay. In my life, I have undertaken several roles of responsibilities, such as I was a placement coordinator in my graduation college at BTech Kanpur. Here at NITI, I'm the part of a finance club, Street. It's a very active forum over here, and I really am very proud of being a part of it. I was the marketing secretary of Resonance. It was the first tech fest of electrical department of HBDI Kanpur, and uh, I must say that under my leadership, we were able to brought about 6 lakh of a sponsorship. That was a huge amount for a first time fest at that time. Okay, being a part of the institute that is driven by the mission of Udyog Pragati, I wishes to learn all the domains of management, be it finance, operations, or marketing, that comes handy in tackling the industry related problems. Few years down the line, I want to contribute actively in growth and development and effective management of Indian industries. Management by itself is the process to cut down process into small chunks. This action is complex and requires lots of thinking. This way, it differs from craftsmanship. One must assign the task force to each chunk such that highest productivity is achieved. When too many people join the chunk, management is supposed to do process transformation. An ideal manager must take ideas from a piece of iron. When you pass current to it, it turns to magnet. The orientation depends on the flow of current. Thus, a manager must align himself towards a current trends. Then, he must align his task force in the same direction. Managers must develop trust and share responsibilities such that each function is equally important. Then, one must try to set an equilibrium between theory X and theory Y managers. This balance is must to differentiate between good and bad employees. With these comments, I will say that management differs from craftsmanship. One must try to break procedures and again see the parts as another craft. Thank you.